In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show an estimated completion time on a Typeform welcome screen. If you've ever wanted to include a live stopwatch or countdown inside a Typeform, it's important to know that the platform doesn't support a real-time timer for respondents. However, there is a simple, built-in way to set expectations. You can display an estimated time to complete right on the welcome screen before people begin. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're in, open the form you're currently working on. This takes you into the builder where you control the content and layout of your questions. Next, look for the option to add more elements to your form. Click on Add Content. From the available blocks, add a welcome screen. The welcome screen sits at the very start of your form and is the perfect place to tell people what the form is about and how long it will likely take. Keeping this information up front can reduce drop-offs and help respondents plan a moment to complete your survey. With the welcome screen selected in the builder, look to the right side panel. Here you'll find settings and customization options specific to the welcome screen. Enable the toggle labeled Time to Complete. As soon as you turn this on, Typeform will calculate and display an estimated completion time on the welcome screen, typically shown as a short note like, takes about 3 minutes. A few helpful notes to make this work well. The estimate is based on the number and types of questions in your form, so it's meant to be a guideline rather than a guarantee. If you add or remove questions later, Typeform updates the estimate automatically, so your welcome screen stays accurate without extra work. Consider pairing the time estimate with a brief, friendly message that explains the purpose of your form. For example, you might introduce what users can expect and encourage them to begin when they have a moment. If you don't immediately see the time to complete option, make sure you have the welcome screen selected in the builder and that you're viewing its settings. Also remember that the time appears on the welcome screen itself, not within the questions, so respondents will see it before they start answering. That's all there is to it. By adding a welcome screen and enabling time to complete, you give your audience a clear, reassuring estimate right up front, helping them commit with confidence and complete your Typeform smoothly.